This should not be possible. I just described a complex workflow to an AI and it built the entire thing in less than a minute. No code required. I spend hours each week testing new software to make sure I'm at the bleeding edge of what's possible. And I can tell you this isn't a small upgrade. It's a completely new way of working. If you or your team is buried in manual tasks, this video is your wake-up call. I'm going to show you how tools like Make.com are letting non-technical people automate processes that just a few years ago I would have charged tens of thousands of pounds to create. I'll demo this AI magic and reveal new data from McKinsey's 2025 report. By the end of this, you'll have a super easy to use tool that you can use to start saving your business thousands or even millions. Workflow automation was once a tech elite's game. Expensive devs, months of builds, but AI has flipped the script. Tools like Make.com now let anyone describe a process in plain English and boom, it generates the workflow. We're talking integrations across 2,500 apps, from CRM updates to sending emails, all automated. Any company adopting this tool is giving every employee a personal robot army. And this is the perfect moment when people are just working out what all of this even means, and you can jump ahead. McKinsey's 2025 State of AI survey shows 78% of organizations use AI in at least one function, with over half regularly tapping into generative AI for tasks like the example I'm getting to, although not as crazy as what I'm about to show you. First, let's quickly dive into Make.com itself, with features that make the impossible routine. The service became publicly available in 2016, and they now claim to have 350,000 users. It's impressive growth, but in my opinion, still massively underused and undervalued. And now, here's where things get interesting. Watch this quick demo of Make.com, turning words into workflow gold. So you can see here that I start with a blank screen on Make. And the secret is in this small button down to the right-hand side, AI Beta. This could be one of the most powerful AI tools that are currently available online. I'm going to string together a workflow of common tasks that I would have previously been paid to automate. Connect to our CRM Pipedrive. Loop through each of our leads and go to LinkedIn to get their contacts, including the company that they work for. Pass the data to OpenAI, so ChatGPT can check if any of the companies are software development companies. Pass the data back from OpenAI, and if there were any software development companies found, send an email to the lead to ask if they are considering a move to a new software development company. Use OpenAI to draft the email and send it from our Gmail account. Go. Now the AI assistant will go and prepare a blueprint of the workflow. It's then going to structure the workflow visually on the page. I can see it's going into Pipedrive. It's then iterating over all of our leads. It's then going to LinkedIn. It then goes to OpenAI to check. It then comes back and routes and goes to send our email. All I have to do is click on each of these if I'm not already connected. I'm already connected for Pipedrive. Am I connected for Gmail? If I click on here, it looks like yes, I am already connected for that. And so all I need to do now is go through each of these things and fill out the details. Now, that's just been custom built in less than 1 minute. Just a few years ago, this would have cost tens of thousands to create as a system, and you can now create as many of these as you want in a day in less than a minute for each one. Less than 2 minutes, zero code. If you've ever built something with Make.com, I want to hear about it. What was the biggest or most costly process you've managed to automate? In this new AI era, the businesses that thrive won't just be the biggest anymore. They'll be the most adaptable, using AI to pivot faster and outpace the competition. If you own a business, give this to your teams and tell them to experiment. If you're an employee, pick a task that takes up people's time and spend an evening trying to automate it. It's fun, interesting, and to top it off, you'll be a hero the next day. If you found this useful, chances are a colleague needs the edge too. Share this video and let's multiply these breakthroughs. Subscribe for more videos on how to stay ahead with tech. Until next time.